Hello, welcome to a new section, Creating Deep Learning Workflow. In this lecture, we will cover AWS Step Function service. Processing workflow is an additional method of interaction between different services. Let's say you want to build multi-step process. In deep learning case, it could mean download data, pre-process data, and then run model on it. While you can put queries between each of these backend nodes, it would be very hard to monitor processing for a single task. This is where workflow could be extremely convenient. Basically, workflow service takes care of invocation of each node when needed and handles intermediate state of processing job. It allows to have high-level picture of what is happening with each task and track tasks' failures and timeouts. Finally, it allows to have very flexible component usage as part of the workflow. Now let's look more into AWS Step Functions. Basically, it is AWS service which allows to manage workflow as state machine. It can be connected to any processing backend and has native integration with AWS Lambda. It has pay-as-you-go system, which makes it very convenient as a starting point. Let's look more into specific features of Step Functions. First of all, it is extremely scalable and you don't have to manage neither scaling neither the workflow itself. Step Functions have great visual UI, which enables easy monitoring of processing jobs. State management allows to add complex logic, like choosing next node based on results of previous nodes, or running several nodes in parallel. Step functions have convenient logic for retrying tasks, which enables to ensure processing. Built-in error handling allows to handle cases when processing encounters some exception, and you need a way to add logic for error handling. For example, mark task as failed in a DB. Finally, scheduling allows to run delayed processing tasks, which could be convenient if you have to wait for another process to finish. Now let's look at the pricing. One of the main advantages of step functions is pay-as-you-go system. It is very simple, 25 cents per 10,000 requests, and first 4,000 requests are free per month. That makes it perfect for early projects. Let's look more into how step functions are different from simple query service in terms of features and possible use cases. Generally speaking, we can say that simple query service is most suitable for short, simple, low-priority tasks, which can come in very large volumes. And step functions are most suitable for the cases where we have complex multi-step processes, which can take a lot of time, and where we would like to guarantee delivery of every task. Thank you for listening. This concludes the end of this video.